Feeling pressure on the top of your foot? Try gap lacing for instant relief. Start by lacing normally, then skip a pair of eyelets where you'll need more room. This creates a pressure-free zone. Secure the laces above the gap with a surgeon's knot. It locks the tension in place so it won't loosen on the tray. Continue to add surgeon knots all the way up until you get to the top of the boot. You can even move the gap down to the toe box or a different part of the boot if you need to ease pressure on other parts of your foot. Simple, adjustable and trail proven, gap lacing keeps you moving in comfort.